Did you know that buying your own insoles to put into your safety shoes could be compromising the safety standard? We have found on the many factory audits that we've carried out that as many as 1 in 4 persons are buying their own insoles online or from a chemist in order to improve foot comfort. But remember, safety footwear is designed to protect your feet in event of an accident. In being approved to EN 20345, safety footwear is tested with a particular insole in place. This insole, for example, may also be anti-static or even ESD, electrostatically dissipative, so replacing it with something different can compromise the safety standard. V12 Footwear has come up with the V12 Dynamic Arch system. This allows you to personalise your safety footwear and still meet the standard of EN 20345. So V12 Dynamic Arch can be used in any V12 safety footwear to meet the safety standard. You are safe with V12 footwear every time.